Welcome to Logo Genie. Let's have a quick look at the logo design tools. Click on an element to get started. Using your mouse, you'll be able to resize, inverse, rotate elements, and use the advanced drop-down menu. Let's have a look at how to modify colors. Click on an element and make sure that it's flashing. Then use the color picker to change colors. Reusing colors for other shapes is a handy option. Just click on a saved color and adjust the darkness with the color picker. Let's check out how to modify text now. Click on a text to access the text menu on the left. You'll be able to add extra text lines, change fonts, and modify colors. Remember to use the same colors throughout your logo for a professional look. Add fancy details to your logo. Let's try the separation lines. Click on the gadgets menu and add a line in between your texts. Add text bullets that you can add on either side of your texts. Use pictograms like the copyright symbol. And cool shapes to surround your text, for example. Now it's time for you to give it a try. Don't forget to check out our other video tutorials available on our site.